Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna be installing some clippings from Curlsqueen. So in the box I got this little pouch and it has a brush, a curl brush, and a drawstring bonnet, which I like the drawstring bonnets, and it's satin lined as well. And I also got some extra clips in case I wanna sew an extra clip on. This is the quality of the hair, and honestly I feel like it resembles my hair curl pattern in a way, but I don't remember the lengths that I got. I have to probably go back and look, but either way all the information regarding this hair will be down in the description box below, and also the direct link, and also my coupon code for anyone who wants to buy this hair or any of their other items on their website for a discounted price. So my hair is freshly washed and I have to blow dry it because the way I'm gonna do the clippings is I'm gonna braid down my hair and have some leave out and incorporate my hair with the clippings at the front, and I think I'm gonna leave some in the middle here because of all my hair. I feel like the front and the middle right here is very loosely curled, and I think it matches with the clippings more, so I'm gonna try that. So I'm gonna go in with this Amica Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner, and also I'm gonna go in with my Mizani 25 Miracle Milk leave-in as well. This is so good, and I know I sound like a broken record right now, but this is good. I talk about this product all the time, and it's for good reason. And of course I'm gonna go in with my Chi Iron Guard for some thermal protection. Then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer. So my hair is all blow dried, and that was so quick because of the Dyson. So I think I'm gonna do I'm probably gonna do a full leave out, probably gonna do this much. Okay, so I'm back and this is how we're looking. So I did like a 360 leave out, and now we're gonna do the clippings. It comes with 2 5-clip lengths, 2 3 clips, and 4 of the 2 clips. And if you look closely, I really like how the curl pattern is. It looks so nice. So first I'm gonna start out with the 5-clip because that's bigger. So I'm just gonna open them up, and for the back I'm gonna just do an inverted flip. Like that. Then now that I have that, I'm gonna put the second 5-clip weft on top of that, and I'm just gonna put that in normally. So I'm gonna turn it the other way, and what I do is get the middle piece and then put that in the middle so it's evenly placed and it's not lopsided. Then I'm gonna get the 4-clip, which is this one, and do the same thing. Then I'm gonna take the 3-clip weft, and see, just because the 4-clip didn't come all the way out, I'm gonna put the 3-clip weft on that so it covers the front here, and do that on this other side. And at this point it's gonna overlap, but that's fine. But already you can not see like actual hair, which is a good thing. Then I'm gonna get the 4-clip again and put that over it. I'm just gonna make sure I have this in the middle as well. So now that I have this little piece left, what I'm gonna do is get the 2-clip weft, and I'm gonna put it right here. I'm just gonna stack them, to be honest. And then for the last 2, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure I put it as close to this right here, as close as possible to my part, like so. Then we're all done. We're looking good already. It's looking so cute already. Then I'm gonna undo this, and of course I'm gonna get it wet again. I'm gonna part it down in the middle. Little piece here in the back, I'm gonna part that part going back, like to cover here. So I'm gonna have to make sure my hair is fully drenched, because seeing as though I just blow dried it, it's gonna lose its pattern. And I'm gonna go in with this Male Organics Coil Sculpting Custard. Well, I'm gonna try it. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna go in with my gel. I'm gonna cover that last bit in the middle right there. Then I'm gonna part this down in the middle, so I have like a little middle part. This time I'm gonna try the Wetline Extreme instead, just to see if it will make a difference. What I'm gonna do is take piece and just gonna swirl that in. So I am gonna start off with the first bundle in the back. Probably should have done that at first, so I don't have to do this. But I feel like because of how thick the hair is, it's easier to do it that way. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really like it. I blended in my natural hair with the top few clip-ins, and of course if I want to do like an updo, I can, because I had the leave out in the back and I also flipped the clip-ins, so it won't be shown, the clips won't be shown, just the curls per se. But yeah, this is it. I like it. Listen, this hair is gearing me up for when my hair gets longer and it starts to fall, because I can see my hair coming out like this big and puffy voluminous hair. Like, this is so adorable. Like, I am in love. I am so in love with this. It's so nice. You have the flexibility of having like fluffy voluminous curls, because depending on how much product you put in it or what kind of product you put in it, it will come out fluffy. It only has like gel, as you can see how I style it. It has gel and water, but on the weft in the back, I tried doing like soaking it, like drenching it in water and using foam plus gel, and using that curl brush to like stretch the curls. And when it dried, it was much longer than the other wefts. And I left a piece here just so you guys can see the difference. Like, if you put a lot of water plus mousse plus gel and you like stretch it out, it will dry stretched, because look at the difference. And here it is in the back, like it's much longer than the other ones, and I didn't realize it until it dried. And I remember that I only used the foam on that weft plus the gel, so it's very flexible. You have the option to like do a wet look with this or a fluffy wash and go look and still get those nice voluminous curls. And I like that there is still some, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's not too curly and it's not too fluffy. You get what I'm saying? So I really like it. I think I'm gonna try exploring or experimenting with some other styles with this. If you want to purchase this specific set of clippings or another clipping that suits your hair needs, I will leave everything down below. Also subscribe if you haven't already, like, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.